Hello, very good morning. Welcome to JS Testing Academy. Welcome to the next part of video in the REST Assured series. In this series, we are going to see from the basics, and we are going to slowly move to the REST Assured automation framework. Okay. First, let me create a new project. Right click, new, right, and I'll go for project. Then I'll go for Maven project, and I'll click create simple project. Then I'll put rest assured learning. Okay, and I'll make the group ID and the artifact ID both are same. I'll click finish. Okay, now a project has been created, rest assured learning. It's a Maven right build tool I used. Maven build tool is used for creating the structure of the project and adding the pom.xml dependencies so that it easily downloads the jars from the repository. In the Java project we don't have the facility, whereas here if you add the dependencies it automatically downloads the jars from the corresponding repository. That is why we go for an Maven. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is, right, I need to download the dependencies. For that I'll go to Google. I give rest assured, right, Maven dependency. First I'll go click here. First I'll go to the first rest assured and I'll take the latest version and I'll copy the dependency. If you are using right Maven, you should go here. If you are using Gradle, you use this dependency. Okay, so I'm using Maven. I'll just copy this one. Then I'll go here to the pom.xml. I'll add the dependencies tag here. Okay, I'll paste it. Okay, then I close the dependencies tag. Okay, I should put an end tag here. So I close it. I've added only the rest assured dependency 5.5.0. Slowly we'll add more dependencies when we are moving further. Okay, let me update the Maven project. Update, right, project and the Maven project. Project has been updated now. Let's go and create a very simple basic test in the REST Assured. As I told you, REST Assured is an automation tool for testing the APIs, right? We have manual testing tools like SoapUI and Postman, whereas REST Assured, right, is used for right in Java version. We use REST Assured. Okay, let me create a package, right? Training. Then let me create a class now, right? Basic API test. Okay, let us learn from basics. Okay, I already tried framework, but I thought of right teaching the basics, then slowly go to the right framework. That will be helpful to many. Okay, so I've created right a class, Java class here. Let us add the rest assured code here in this class. Okay, so hope you all know, right, we should create a class package, right, and a class, and we should start writing the code. Okay, so hope you all know the API basics. If you don't know the API basics, go to the Postman video which we posted in our channel. Okay, first I'll add rest assured. I'll first set the base URI. Okay, base URI equal to, okay, then base URI equal to, okay, I'll add the base URI. First I'll import rest assured here. Okay, 1 minute, the project is not imported properly. Let me restart the Eclipse. Change to rest assured IO. Okay, so let me add the URI. I'm using one endpoint here, right, contract document, the parent company of ours, change this to automation, where we have the right endpoints for all the four requests: post, get, put, and delete. Okay, so first we are going to try with get. Get is nothing but retrieving a resource. Okay, let me copy the base URI. Let me paste here in the base URI. So endpoint will consist of base URI, resource, and the parameter. Okay, first we'll set the base URI. Okay, rest assured dot base URI equal to the base URI. Then what we'll do is, right, we need to get the request, right? What request? Through the response. Response. 1 minute. Sorry. Response equal to rest assured dot, right. We do method chaining now. Given precondition, it works on the basis of, right, BDD. Okay, given dot. Okay, we'll use get method. 1 minute. Okay, in the get method we'll post the resource. What is the resource we have in the contract document? This is the resource. Okay, I'll copy the resource, then I'll paste here in the get method. Okay, so given is a precondition and get method is a method to, right, keep our resource. Okay, then I'll put a semicolon here. Then we need to extract the response. Okay, how to do it, right? Let me import the response first. Okay, so how to do it, right? So we need to, in Java we use sysout, right, for printing. Sysout. Okay, response dot, I'll copy this one. So we should get the response as a string. Okay, for that we have one method as string. Okay, so if I give as string, right, it will can take it and extract it as a string. Okay, suppose, right, I want to run it, right. Let me run it and click a Java application. So it extracted all the, right, retrieved all the resource, right, all the response, right, from the request. It got the extracted all the response for this particular C2T, and it retrieved everything. So you see, right, it retrieved everything. Okay, suppose, right, I want to, right, check the validate the status code. Okay, get the status code also. For that what I'll do is, right, I'll give sys out. Okay, then I'll give status code. 1 minute. Okay, then I'll give response dot get status code. Okay, there are a lot of methods, we'll see one by one. First we'll see getting the status code. Okay, there are a lot of status code, you all know: 200, 201, 400, 404, 5x series, 3x series. There are a lot of status code, right? We can extract the status code also. Okay, let me run it. Okay, the status code is 200, it's passed. Okay, so this is how we can do the basic, right, API testing with the get method. Okay, so hope it's this video is useful to you. Continue to follow the series. We'll slowly move basics, and then we'll go to the advanced part like framework. Okay, so thanks for watching this video. Hope you learned a small topic. Have a nice day. Bye. Meet you soon in the next video.